Hey guys, today I will show you how you can download and install 007 First Light game on your PC or laptop. So first head over to the Steam website and just click on the sign in option you will see on the top, and scroll down you will see the option of create an account. So just click on that and go ahead and create the Steam account. After you create the Steam account, just click on the install Steam option you will see on the top and click on install Steam and download the Steam and install it on your device. After you install the Steam on your PC, just open it up, sign in your account, then click on the top search box and just type 007 First Light. You will see this game on the top results. So just open it up and scroll down and you will see option of add to cart. And you can also buy the other version. Just click on the option of add to cart, then click on the option of view my cart, and here on this page, just click on the option of continue to payment and go ahead and pay the amount for this game. After you pay amount for this game, just go to your library of Steam and just find this game, then click on install. That's how you can download and install 007 First Light game on your PC. If you find this guide useful, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.